Welcome to Pebbles channel. I hope you're all doing well and I hope you are excited to learn French with me. Do you remember the numbers that we have learned? Yes, we have learned numbers from 1 to 100. Do you remember those numbers? So can you tell me numbers in tens, that is 10, 20, 30? Can you say it along with me? What did we say for number 10? This. Yes. And for number 20? 20. I'm writing this just to remind you of what we have learnt. For number 30, do you remember? It is 30. 30. Next is number 40. For number 40, it is 40. 40. Then for number 50, it is 50. So number 10 is 10, 20 is 20, 30 is 30, 40 is 40, 50 is 50, number 60 is 60, so for number 60 it was 60, for number 70 it was 70, that was 60 and 10. 60 and 10, 70 is 70. For number 80, do you remember the word? It is 80. 80. 4 into 20. For number 90, it was 90. That is 80 and 10. Gave you 90. 90. And finally, for number 100, it was 100. So I hope you remember this. If you learned this along with numbers from 1 to 20, it is very easy to write. So shall we move on to the next numbers? Now we know how to write 100. So it is very easy to write numbers after that. So for 100, it was 100. So you must have guessed what would it be for 200. How do we write? 200. So for 2 it is the, and for 100 it is 100. And since there are 200s, it is in the plural, 200s. So there will be an S here. The song. 200. So once you know numbers from 1 to 9 and the word for number 100, you can write numbers 100 to 900. So shall we write the next number? How would you write 300? For 3, it is 3 and hundreds. So song. There is no hyphen in between here. So kindly note that. So for 300 it is 300. 300. For number 400 it is, for 4 it is 4, and for 100 it is 100. 400. So now you must be able to write numbers. Write number 500. For 5 it is 5. and for 100 it is 100. 500. So how did we write numbers 100 to 500? For number 100 it is 100. For 200 we wrote for 2 it is the, and 100 is 100. Similarly for 300 it is 300. For 400 400. And for 500 it is 500. Next, for number 600. For 6 it is 6, and for 100 it is 100. 600. 600. For number 700. For 7 it is 7, and for 100 it is 100. 700. Similarly, for number 800, yes, it is with song. For number 900, it is neuf song. 900. Neuf song. And finally, for number 1000, the word is mil. Mil. So kindly note down this word. You need for 100 it is 100, and for 1000 it is mil. So this is very easy. The 10 numbers that we learned today are very simple. For 100 it is 100. That is all you have to remember. For 200 it is 2, the, and 100 100. Just don't forget to add the s at the end, since it is more than 1. 300. 300. 3 and 100. 400 is 400. For 500 it is 500. For 600 it is 600. For 700 700. For 800 with song. For 900 it is 900. And for 1000 it is mil. So with this we have learned all the possible numbers. So say it along with me. Say numbers from 1 to 20 along with me, because it is very important to know those numbers. So say it along with me. For 1 we say 2, the, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then for number 30 it is 30. For number 40 it is 40. For number 50 it is 50. For number 60 it is 60. For number 70 it is 70. For number 80 it is 80. For number 90 it is 90. And for number 100 it is 100. So numbers 21 to 29, 31 to 39, 41 to 49, 51 to 59, 61 to 69 and 81 to 89 are written by writing the word for example, from 21 to 29 we write the word for 20 followed by numbers 1 to 9 accordingly. The only exception is for numbers from 71 to 79. Do you remember how we write number 71? Yes, we write it as 60 plus 11. 71. So numbers 71 to 79 we write number 60, 60, followed by numbers 11 to 19. Similarly, for numbers 91 to 99 we write them as a sum of 80 plus numbers 11 to 19. So now we have learnt numbers from 1 to 100, and after that we have learnt numbers 100 to 1000. I am sure you will be able to write the numbers in between because we have already learnt. So I hope you are thorough with French numbers. Keep practicing.